Hey everybody, Scott here. Wanted to show you this card that we got for my mother-in-law for her birthday. So obviously this is the package it comes in, so we'll go ahead and take it out of there. So on the back here, you can write who it's from and then who it's to, and then we'll take it out of here. Alright, so got it out of the package. Here's another little note card you can write a note on. Here's just another little brochure with a QR code with other little mini flower bouquets, like paper bouquets that you can look at ordering. But here's the flower bouquet right here, paper bouquet. So this will unfold. We'll go ahead and show it to you. And right here, it shows you how to open. So basically you basically squeeze the sides like this. And then you push up here to get it open. So just like that. It's open. You can see it. And then you can pull this to close. So we'll pull it to close because we still got to sign it and give it to my mother-in-law. But that's pretty much it. Just wanted to show you this real quick. It does set up on the table, as you can see. So pretty cool little pop-up paper flower bouquet.